What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue and bourbon. All right, today we're gonna knock out some what we call our Bronco bacon burger bombs. Okay, so we're gonna knock these out, and we're gonna show you how to do it. But hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share it with all your buddies. All right, so we're gonna get into these. But before we do, we're going to get with the greatest taste master ever and see what he has for us today.
All right. Today, we're going to get into this George Dickel 12, all right?
All right.
I was introduced to this last weekend at the Great Americana Barbecue Festival, all right?
Yeah,
they had about 16 distillers, and I tried every single one of them. I tried to go through twice, but my disguise, I tried to put on a different hat and walk through. So they were like, "No, buddy, you already been through."
So you tried to turn into a master of disguise like Lupin on Netflix.
Definitely, and it didn't work. Like it didn't work for me. But this George Dickel 12 is nice. It's a 45% alcohol volume, which means it's about 90 proof.
Okay.
All right? It's distilled out of Cascade Hollow, which I think is in Tullahoma, Tennessee.
All right.
So now we kind of moved away from Kentucky, and we kind of brought it back home to try this out to see what's going on.
Bring it back to the crib.
With the George Dickel, all right? The way they do it is they age it in some oak barrels, okay? After it ages a few years, they transfer it over and filter it through some sugar maple charcoal, all right? After that, it's bottled and packaged and sent to your favorite package store, all right? Now, to the palate, you're gonna get a taste of oak, a little smoke finish, a little vanilla, hints of vanilla, and as also, I think I did say earlier, there's some smoke, a little savory smoke,
and maple,
a little bit, just a little hint of maple, All right. Other than that, let's get into it.
Let's do it. I see you got your HBCU glass right there.
Yeah, you know what? This is the favorite time of year.
Yeah.
Football,
Time
HBCU football, tailgate, and
SEC football.
SEC football.
Yeah, it's on.
So let's go ahead and we're gonna try this Dickel. There you go.
I got mine. Now, if you didn't make it out to the Great Americana Barbecue Festival, definitely get there next year, okay? It's gonna be even bigger and even better, all right? Bill Foley and Paul Abbott and Ken Wood, they do an excellent job with that thing, okay?
Definitely.
So make sure you get 2-day passes for that next year, all right?
Definitely.
All right.
Well,
you ready?
Here we go. Cheers to SEC football, HBCU football, and the marching bands. We can't wait. Next Saturday, we'll be in Memphis.
That's right. And today, I think it's today, TSU plays Grambling at the Hall of Fame kickoff.
Okay.
So,
yeah, and next week is the Southern Heritage with Jackson State University.
Coach Prime against Coach
Tennessee
Eddie
State
George.
against Eddie George. That's going to be a good one.
Here's to
All
you.
right.
Oh, that went down easy, man. That was a good.
Still nice, just like I remembered it the first time I tasted it last week.
Yeah, the only difference is you ain't got to make different faces
I
to
ain't
get
got
in
to
there.
speak. I just keep going.
Yeah, that's your check.
Yeah.
All right, so now that we knocked that out, we're going to get into these bacon burger bombs. Now again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, all right? So, what you want to do is get you some good ground chuck, okay? You're going to make a big meatball, just like so, okay? And you can season it up with your favorite rubs and things like that, your favorite barbecue rubs. I use magic dust, because that's what we do, all right? This will be on the market soon too, all right, along with our other things. So you're gonna take it, gonna make a nice little size ball like so. Then you're gonna take you some good quality bacon, all right? You're just gonna wrap that thing around.
You gotta squeeze a little
Try
tight.
to squeeze it a little tight. Okay, so you're gonna knock that out. Then you gotta poke a hole in it. Not all the way through, okay? Just wanted enough to get fit the stem to the bomb in. All right, we're gonna show you why it's called a bacon burger bomb. All right, the Bronco bacon burger bomb. Hand me one of them fuses out of there, Skip.
Fuses.
Yeah. You got to get you some pickled serrano
You got 2 kinds.
or pickled peppers. Okay, some type of pickled peppers. We have 2 kinds today. We have some Japanese pickled peppers, and then we have some pickled peppers that we made out of serrano peppers. And we'll get you the little mixture directions. We'll put that in the description below too, if you want to do them yourself. All right. So we're gonna get one of these fuses. Pass me one, cause I've been touching the meat.
All right. It's a one little M80.
Little M80 here. We just gonna stick that thing in there just like that, and then I'm gonna close it up. Listen to him trying to tell. Listen to him trying to tell me how to do
Close
it.
it up a little bit, man.
Close it up. All right, you see that stem? You're gonna leave the stem on, okay? Next thing I'm gonna do is hit it with a little bit of that magic dust just right there on the top over everything to let you know what it is, all right? Now we gonna finish these up, and I'll meet you at the grill. 1 second. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers.
See y'all
Catch you in a second. All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues. We're down here at the smoker with these bacon burger bombs, all right? The Bronco bacon burger bombs, okay? We're about to get these on. We're gonna roll them today at 275.
275.
And we're about to get them on, so.
Wait a minute. Let me get a light. You got to light the fuse for you.
Oh, fuse it up then.
So I'm just playing.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
actually, if you want to kind of jazz these up a little bit, you can add cheese in there too on the inside of the burger. So as you cooking them, when they come off and you bite into that thing, you're gonna have that pepper cheese type filling on the inside. If you put some shredded cheese in there or whatever you like, whatever your favorite cheese is, cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese, any kind of cheese, whatever cheese you like, you know, it would be nice to put inside them. They'll be great.
All right, so we're gonna let these roll at 275 for about 45 minutes. We're gonna let it come all together, let that bacon kind of squeeze up on it. You'll see in a few minutes, all right? We'll catch you back in a little while. BBQ, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brothers, all right? See you in a second. All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues. We're back down here. Today we're on the Master Build 1050, but you can do this on any grill, as I say, all the time. You just have to set it up for indirect and direct heat. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment, and like, all right? So I'm gonna raise this thing up. And as you can see, the burger bombs are looking nice. You know what I'm saying? Then we're about to hit them with a little bit of this glaze right here. We got some glaze that we make. It's got some red pepper flakes. It's got the magic dust in it. And a couple more things. We'll let you know what it is. So I'm about to hit it just like that. You just hit it lightly with it. You ain't gotta go, you don't have to go heavy with it. Just lightly. Around the sides and on the top. Cause these bombs are gonna be the bomb. You see that red pepper flake on that? Yeah, it's on there. It's like the commercial say with what was the commercial, Skip, with
Brago.
yeah, it's in there. Yeah, so we about to knock this out real quick. Get these on here. This cooker's about to go real quick now, so just be ready, okay? You got the glaze on here. Got them burger bombs right. And it's in there. Just go all the way around it. And the top, all right? Now we're gonna close it down for a few minutes. we'll be back to you with the finished product on BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, see you in a second. All right, now when you're doing these Bronco burger bombs, what you want to do is sprinkle a little cheese on the top. All right, so bruh, hit it with a little bit of that cheese. Just a little bit. It don't take much. It don't take much. That's enough. Alright. So we're going to finish doing this. We'll be back to you in a few minutes. You don't have to do them all with cheese. Just do you a few for the ones who like cheese, okay? That's what we do. Now, as usual, you know it's Saturday. We're in the backyard. So you're going to have grass cutting and stuff going on. It's gonna be some noise for that, cause we in the backyard and this is what we do in our neighborhood. All right, we'll catch you back in a few. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues. As you can see, we have our regular Bronco burger bacon bombs. We're about to pull these with cheese off. Got the cheese sprinkled on top, looking nice. All right, that bacon rendered down real good. Got thick cut bacon too. All right, so now I'm gonna close that down. As you can see, we got the regular and we got the cheese. All right, so we're about to get into these. We're gonna get into these up on the deck. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned in. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Catch you in a minute. All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Today we did Bronco bacon burger bombs, all right? Now we're about to blow up one of these bombs because they definitely gonna have people running to your tailgate and getting ready, all right? So I'm gonna grab it and I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. Okay? There you go, bro. Hit your side and tell me what you think.
Alright, that's the favorite part of it.
The favorite part of it. Pretty good.
That's good.
Alright, so what you want to do is get your burger. Get you some good, high quality burger, some ground chuck of beef. I prefer chuck. Alright? Get you some high quality bacon. Slim or thick cut, don't matter as long as it's good quality. And some peppers, alright? You see the inside of that? See that pepper in there? Oh yeah, that's gonna be good, man. It's good. That's delicious. What you gotta say, Skip?
It's good.
That's all you got?
That's all I got.
You been on too much Dickel today?
Pepper.
Pepper got you right.
Pepper kind of hot.
All right. So make sure you follow the instructions below, and we'll help you become the king or queen of your tailgates, backyard barbecues, whatever it may be. All right. Thank you for tuning in to another episode, BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, the greatest taste master ever,
All right.
and myself.
Y'all have a great day and enjoy the rest of the day with football.
All right. We'll catch you later.